In this video, I'm going to show you how to export high-resolution images from Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's open a PowerPoint presentation. This is a presentation slide that I have taken as an example. Let's download this slide as an image. To do this, go to File. In the left side menu, click on Save As. Now select a location to save. Change the file type to PNG and click on Save. Let's go to the file location and open the image. If I zoom in on the image, you can see that the image becomes pixelated and blurry. To resolve this, click on the Windows button on your keyboard. In the search bar, search for Registry Editor. Double-click on it. In the Registry Editor, expand the H-key Current User tab. Now expand the Software tab. In the Software tab, expand the Microsoft tab. In the Microsoft tab, expand the Office tab. Here you may see a bunch of numbers. Expand the highest number that shows on your system. In my case, it will be 16. From here, expand the PowerPoint tab. In the PowerPoint tab, expand the Options tab. In the top left menu bar, click on Edit. In the drop-down, click on New. From here, select DWORD 32-bit value. Rename the value to what is showing on the screen. Remember that you need to rename it to exactly what is showing on the screen, otherwise it will not work. Right-click on the new value. In the pop-up, click on Modify. Change the base to decimal. Change the value data to 600 and click on OK. Now close the Registry Editor. Let's go to our PowerPoint slide again. Save the slide as a picture just like before. Now let's go to the picture location. Here you can see the difference between sizes. The earlier one is just 100 KB, but the second one is much larger. If I open the second image, you can see that this one is much better than the first one.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.